Zieria collina, commonly known as hill Zieria, is a plant in the citrus family. Ruticeae and is endemic to a small area in southeast Queensland. It is a large, spreading shrub with leaves composed of 3 leaflets, and small flowers with 4 white petals. Description: Zieria collina is a spreading shrub with velvety hairs and which grows to a height of 3 meters (10 feet). The leaves are arranged in opposite pairs and are composed of elliptic to lance-shaped leaflets, 12 to 20 mm, 0.5 to 0.8 in long and 3 to 5 mm, 0.1 to 0.2 in wide. The upper surface of the leaflets is a darker shade of green than the lower surface, and usually has a few hairs and tubercles, while the lower surface is densely covered with velvety hairs. The leaf stalk is 1 to 8 mm, 0.04 to 0.3 in long. The flowers are bright white, about 7 mm, 0.3 in diameter, and are arranged in groups of 15 to 30 in leaf axils, and the groups are usually longer than the leaves. The sepal have 4 lobes and there are 4 petals. In common with other Zierias, there are only 4 stamens. Flowering mainly occurs from August to October, but flowers are often seen at other times. Fruit opens about 6 weeks after flowering. Taxonomy and naming: Zieria collina was first formally described in 1932 by Cyril Tennyson White, and the description was published in Proceedings of the Royal Society of Queensland. The specific epithet, collina, is a Latin word meaning of a hill. Distribution and habitat: this Zieria grows near the edge of rainforest on and near Tamborine Mountain. It sometimes forms dense thickets and seems to respond to disturbance. Conservation: Zieria collina is classified as vulnerable under the Commonwealth Government Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act 1999, EPBC Act. The main threat to its survival is invasion by introduced species, especially lantana camera. References: